Hey everyone, it's Ashley from Vegan Kitchen. It's February and you know what that means. We have another juice as promised. Today we'll be making a red juice, a strong and pungent juice that will not only give your body a shaking cleanse, but also boost your immune system. Here I'll be using 1 cabbage, 3 apples, a red bell pepper, a beetroot, and 1/4 of a red onion. The only thing that I'll be peeling is the red onion and the beetroot. Wash and cut everything down to size, ready for juicing. I personally don't core my apples, but if you feel the need to, feel free to do so. I highly recommend to leave the skin on as it carries many of the beneficial nutrients of the apple. Let's get right into it. Bell peppers have many health benefits. These include improved eye health and reduced risk of anemia. One of the most common causes of anemia is iron deficiency, the main symptoms of which are weakness and tiredness. Not only are red bell peppers a decent source of iron, they are also exceptionally rich in vitamin C. According to WebMD, scientists have linked onions with many health benefits. Most of the benefits come from antioxidants. Other health benefits are antibacterial properties, cancer risk reduction, and bone health. Red or purple cabbage are great sources of vitamin C, potassium, vitamin K, and folate. Vitamin C helps with the production of collagen, including the production and repair of all tissues in your body. Potassium is an electrolyte and essential mineral that helps control the electrical activity in your heart. It also maintains the acidic base balance in your body. Vitamin K is essential for helping your blood clot. This reduces the risk of abnormal bleeding and bruising. Folate helps your body's tissues develop, as well as make your cells work and function properly. Those with irritable bowel syndrome or sensitive stomachs may want to omit or cut back on the amount of cabbage used in this juice. Juiced apples support great heart health, lessens the amount of asthma attacks, aids in detoxification, a good source of vitamins, lowers cholesterol, which is a favorite property of mine, and helps with constipation. Beetroot, like the red cabbage, is a good source of potassium, folate, vitamin C, and antioxidants. It helps lower high blood pressure and provides anti-inflammatory properties. Before serving your juice, you want to make sure you mix your juice very well. Afterwards, you can strain the juice from its suds and serve. At this point, feel free to add ice. Some people prefer to add ice to make it a little more palatable. To make this a kid-friendly juice, double the amount of apples and add 3 large carrots. According to the American Heart Association, they recommend that we eat a rainbow. This means we should consume a colorful diet that covers the different colored food groups. Today, we've covered the red food group, which is rich in phytochemicals like lycopene and anthocyanins that improve heart health and diminish the risk of cancer. In the next series of months, we will be sharing a juice of the month that represents other colors of the rainbow.
To health.
Thank you for joining us right here on Vegan Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. No matter where you are in your journey, there's always room for you on our table.